how to find and cancel sent friend requests on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see all the friend requests you've sent on Facebook within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to see our sent friend requests on Facebook, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone, then select Menu in the bottom menu. Once in the menu, select Friends, and then in here, you really have two different options. First, if you don't have any current friend requests that were sent to you, in this top menu up here, you'll see friend requests. Simply select that. Now, I currently have a friend request that was sent to me, so there's a section labeled friend request. All I need to do is select See All to the right of friend request. On this page, you'll see all the friend requests that were sent to you. To view the friend requests we've sent, all we need to do is select the three dots in the top right and then select View Sent Request. And then you'll see all the friend requests that you've sent to people on Facebook, and you can delete it by selecting Cancel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.